Hey everybody, this is Chris and Matt. I don't know if you can see him down there in the distance.
Flying bug.
This is Citron.
Hi.
This is, I guess you could say, my gift to one of my awesome buds, Citron.
I never knew this was
This is me, Chris Willis. We're actually in Tallahassee. You can see some other humans way over there across the horizon. Something's crawling on my back.
So far away.
This is the part of Tallahassee that you guys never get to see. So, did you hear that?
Did you hear that, Chris Willis Jr.? Yes, I'm assuming. But when you see this, you won't be.
Hold on, I want pictures of that. I've seen ants before. Photographer at work. Don't disturb. Nothing.
There's a beast of ants. Yeah, some good job.
Tune in later.